Hi Leo, welcome to Omkara Tarot and for a check-in for your mid-month July. So Leo, I'm going to do a small Celtic cross for you just to check on your energies now and to see what advice we can get for it. And also Leo, these are general collective readings, okay? So it will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you, okay? And leave the rest. So let's begin, Leo. Dear God, goddesses, angels, spirit guides, please bless this reading for Leo and send them the message they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Leo, we're good to go. Let's begin. Last 3-4 shuffles and there we are. Thank you all my subscribers for being so kind. Your comments keep me motivated. And if you're new here, welcome to our little Omkara family. We welcome you in here. Join us, subscribe. We meet once a week for every zodiac sign. And we're good to go now. Emperor in reverse. What happened, Leo? Losing your power? Or somebody else is around you? Okay, let's open your current energy, Leo. The Lovers in reverse. Having to make a choice regarding something, and crossing this is the 7 of Wands. Let's see your past energy. What's led you to here? 10 of Cups. What's your goal here? Is transformation. Foundation of this was moving away to calmer waters. Let's take a clarifier for these, Leo. The Lovers is, maybe you've had a fight with someone, maybe there's a love interest where things are not really going great. Things have kind of come to a stagnancy where whatever you thought was moving ahead has now kind of stopped, okay? And maybe somebody is being very defensive here. Communication has come to a halt. And maybe this was a kind of maybe a new person or an old person who you thought, this could be your wish fulfillment. You could have a future together with this person, but things have gone array here, and maybe that's why this Emperor card was in reverse. You don't seem to have, any control over the situation anymore, and you're kind of going back and forth in your mind to understand what's happened here. Why did this communication come to an end? Why have things stopped between the two of you? And why is somebody being defensive here and not giving you maybe time and attention? Your goal here was to have a total transformation, from your old life maybe to a new life. Let's take a clarifier for this, the Death card, Spirit. Death is clarified by the Death in reverse. So even though you were trying to end things of your past, maybe you held on to them for too long. And the longer you took to make this transition from the old to the new, things kind of started stagnating. Even though the foundation of your goals or your wishes was to move into calmer waters. You probably were in troubled times in your past, and you thought that, now whatever I'm going to do now in a healthy way and take it forward. But somehow things haven't really worked out, and you are quite confused about it and going back and forth in your mind regarding this transition maybe that you wanted to make. You really wanted a complete transformation, but that's really not happening, or it's taking too long, right? You're still kind of little confused about it. In the past, there was some emotional disappointment with somebody. That's where you were coming from. Let's see, this 10 of Cups, Spirit. Why is that in reverse here for Leo? You wanted to maybe take your cup of love to someone, maybe a small apology if you guys had a fight, or maybe flirt or show a bit of love. But somehow this really didn't work out for Leo. The emotional satisfaction that you were looking for, that really didn't happen, and you were desperate, to kind of move things ahead in a happy fashion, a good fashion, and hoping that this wheel of fortune would maybe turn in your favor. But somehow it doesn't seem like it's happened at the moment. Even though you seem very passionate and wanting to take this forward, you are very keen to take this forward, and you're wondering and thinking, how can I now move from this troubled emotional times to calmer times? You're going back and forth in your mind because this is what you want. This is the foundation of this problem. Let's take one more card for this. Here it is. Maybe somebody turned their back on you, Leo, or is this you looking ahead to see maybe there's something more out there, there's something new out there after this emotional disappointment that you've suffered in the past. You are still kind of in the midst of putting that to bed, basically, putting that to rest, and I think you're still in the midst of the old and the new here, and. Yes, let's see what's coming up in your future energy. Oh, Leo, you don't have to worry at all. Guess what I have here? The Two of Cups. Two of Cups coming up in your immediate future. Now, Spirit, what is this? Eight of Pentacles in reverse. Somebody's not really doing any work towards this, or somebody's given up on working towards the Two of Cups, and that is the reason why this King of Pentacles and the Emperor is in reverse, because you feel that even though there is a lot of love here, maybe somebody is not working towards it anymore, or not putting any effort in this love connection maybe, and that's making you feel a little weak here, Leo. You desperately want to come out of this, feeling of not being appreciated, or maybe feeling abandoned, not getting enough attention. You have been maybe isolated for a long time, and you're desperate now to come out of this. And there is a lot of love between two people here, I can see, but I don't see anyone making much of an effort in the immediate future. Wanting to come out of this feeling of abandonment, wanting to come out of the sleep mode basically, but still not knowing, maybe going back and forth in your mind as to how do I work towards this, what do I do, and maybe the other person is not working towards it either. So let's see how you see yourself, Leo. Seven of Swords, this is how you see yourself. Okay, so maybe you feel that, yes, maybe I did something wrong. Maybe I was a bit sneaky in the past. Maybe you're coming to some self-awareness of the part that you played in it, and you really want now to get out of this place that maybe you've been stuck in for a long time. Maybe there were power games going on. Maybe there was mind manipulation going on. Whatever regret you've had for if you behaved in a sneaky way in the past, because this is your card. This is how you see yourself, Leo. So if you feel that you did something wrong in the past where you were not authentic, you are now thinking of ways and means to release this energy of, not being authentic and come out of this place. Let's take one more card. Yeah, because this is your ultimate goal, right? You do love this person a lot, and you have visualized this happy place for both of you. See two people rejoicing under this makeshift little ceremonial house. Yes, this is your goal, and maybe you've realized that maybe it was something to do with you, and maybe you did something which has made the other person either leave, or maybe you left in the past, and you are really wanting to come out of this toxic energy which either you displayed or maybe this partner of yours did. That's a very good thing, to take responsibility, Leo. Let's see, Leo, how does this person think about you? Or how do people around you feel about you? Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Leo, this person has kind of given up. They don't see any future with you. So whatever happened in the past, Leo, didn't go very well. Yes, they feel this is not even worth fighting for. Maybe it left them feeling very embarrassed, and it made them feel publicly humiliated as well, maybe your behavior did. and they don't feel that this relationship has any chances of a victory with you. And from their standpoint, they don't see any kind of happiness that can be achieved going forward. Yeah, they were expecting a message from you, or they did they did get a message from you, Leo, which was bothersome, and it wasn't very pleasant, because this led them to feel very, very stressed out. Okay, this wasn't the happiest news for them. Maybe this little power game that you played here. Okay, this was a way of manipulation, or a power game, or something that you played. Like you have realized it, right? It was something not very, very authentic, not very good, maybe a bit devilish. But you maybe just did it for fun, and this person has taken it seriously, and they have realized, okay, so after this news, I don't want to have a fresh this news, whatever they got. I don't think we can have victory together, and they have been unhappy about whatever they have learnt about you or heard about you. Maybe somebody else told them something about you, which has led them to feel, I made a mistake, and I don't think there can be anything to do with us. So let's see, what are your hopes and fears, Leo, regarding this? Oh, this is your fear, Leo, the Magician. You feel that this is not going to go through, and whatever little mischief or prank you've played with this person, maybe you tricked them just for fun or for power, or to have control. A lot of people do that in relationships, where they try and portray themselves to be one way, thinking this will kind of gain them brownie points or whatever. But sometimes these things backfire, right? So you are very afraid that, oh my God, this has happened, this is what I've done, and now this person will not accept my offer of love anymore. So this is your fear right now, in the second half of July. Anything else, Spirit? Why is Leo's fear the Magician in reverse and the Four of Cups? Because I think you did start to make some sweet memories with this person. This person did kind of touch a part of you which felt like, oh my God, this could be a soulmate, and it felt very familiar, like you've known this person maybe from another lifetime. Maybe you were friends, something that made you both very happy in the past. And now you're very worried that after your little prank or little silly behavior, maybe whatever happened in the past, Leo, you're worried that they're not going to be, accepting any offer from you. So let's see your last card here. The Tower in reverse. So this basically says, Leo, that you know that this is, you had a part to play in this, okay? You did have a part to play in this, and yeah, even though you realize, right now you know that the tower is falling and something has drastically damaged this relationship, which was not even built on solid ground. It was, I think, maybe a new relationship, which was and a new structure, which had not really didn't have a firm foundation. And when something kind of maybe a bit of lightning from your trickster self hit this, it just brought this tower tumbling down. And this is what it has led to, Leo. I'm sorry. This is what it has led to, heartbreak. And not only for you, but maybe for the other person as well. So maybe whatever trick, Leo, you played on this person has kind of backfired here. Yeah, this person, either you or the other person, is now at their defensive best, not the most communicative maybe, or not communicating in a very good fashion, and that's only because of this heartbreak. This is only because of this heartbreak of what happened and what went wrong. So yeah, because your eventual goal of both of you was this, to have an equal partnership, of having equal give and take. But this little mischief played either by you, Leo. Please feel free to flip the energy, right, as you feel. It could be you or could be your partner doing this to you. So let's see now what could be our most likely outcome. What can we expect, Spirit, for Leo now, second half of July? Right now, Leo, I still think the feminine, whoever, well, Leo, whether this is you or whether it's your person, this person still doesn't is not relenting that much. Okay, I think this person feels that this relationship. To build on this relationship, like Three of Pentacles is in reverse. To build on this relationship may feel too burdensome, and it's too heavy to carry. And right now, I don't see the feminine energy here really making any effort to, put this right and have like a healthy working relationship right now. So let's see, Leo, how does this person really feel about you? Heart of Hearts. How does Leo's person feel about them, their hidden emotions? Okay. How does Leo's person feel about them, Spirit? How does Leo's person feel about them? Okay. This person, the feminine energy, Leo, whether this is you or the other person, I don't know. I think they did see you as a very stable person, someone they could have had a long-term relationship with or find happiness, in a good way. But right now, they seem to be going back and forth. This is the feminine energy, whoever you are, Leo or your person. This person seems to be kind of re-evaluating whether this is going to be worth one's while and weighing up options. This person is very, very restricted in their mind. It's all in their mind right now. They are stressed out. They are in a self-imposed prison. Okay, where they don't want to open their eyes and see anything else except for what their brain is telling them. And their brain says that there are too many swords in this relationship and they don't know what to do. They really don't know what to do, and they are still kind of weighing up their options. This feminine has her sword up now, okay? Maybe this person was in the past willing and, softer, but now this after whatever trick has been played in this relationship, Leo, this feminine is now being a little careful, okay, and she's got her sword up to say, if you don't come right, don't come at all, right? So let's see how the other person is feeling. So that's the feminine energy, whether this was Leo or not. So how does the masculine feel here? One more card, Spirit, please. How does the masculine feel in this dynamic? Whether that's Leo or Leo's cross-watcher. Okay. The masculine here is still wanting to fight for this, okay? Yes, they've been a bit defensive in the past, but they still feel that this has potential and they want to fight for it till the end. They're not willing to give up. They want to come in with some quick communication here. It may be a message or a text or something where they want to come in quick and fast. Look at the way this horse is galloping towards their goal, and this person is like, can't wait to reach the destination. But be careful, Leo, or your person, whoever the masculine is, be a little mindful of your words. Make sure that they are not brash or angry, because sometimes the Knight of Swords can be a little not that good with his words. So I also see this person is wanting to close down whatever happened or didn't happen in the past and start a brand new chapter in this relationship. They're very keen to do this. That's how, yeah. So any word of advice, Spirit, for Leo now? Any word of advice for Leo? Whether that's the feminine or masculine. Okay. First card that we had, bottom of the deck, is out again. Yes, so the advice, Leo, here is if you have any other options or whatever, please drop them. If you're serious, right? And if you're confused, just let that go, and stop bossing around. Okay, the Emperor in reverse again. This was our first card when I shuffled. Remember? So if you're trying to gain control and be the boss or be the master, or if whoever this is in the relationship, you are not going to get your wishes come true in this manner, because if any mischief is played, okay, maybe there was mischief in this relationship in the past which has led you to not getting your wishes fulfilled. So Spirit is saying now stop having this the power game or control that you want to have and be the boss or whatever. Instead of that, try and bring some equal balance into this relationship. Temperance. See how this angel is pouring from one cup to another. So it has to be equal and balanced. So instead of playing mind games here, Leo or your cross watcher, stop doing that, because mischief and trying to have control has only led you to your wishes getting dashed to the ground. What you need now is temperance. That means equal give and take. So let's take a blessing card from the angels. Spirit, the angels, any blessing for my Leos? Thank you. Oh, Spirit says you have to now bring some childlike happiness into this relationship. Okay, look at this little angel sitting with her whatever instrument she's playing, right? So I have the same card again saying play music. So that means bring some light-hearted energy into this if you want, and be sweet, okay? Because maybe in the past, you came across as a bit harsh or rude or whatever. So bring some sweetness back into this relationship. Bring some light-hearted energy into this relationship. Be childlike, how children are. They have fun, they're happy, they play, right? If you can do that, then there is a chance of your prayers to be answered. Your prayers are being heard. It's totally on to you how you are going to now. Every action will have now an equal and opposite reaction. So if somebody was playing mind games, that's what happened. Now start from scratch, okay? And bring some happiness into this relationship. Be sweet, be nice. And yes, there is a chance 100% that your prayers could come true. So that's what I have for you, Leo, for the second half of July. And do subscribe to the channel, because I'll be coming back next week with a love read for you. So I hope that's going to be more exciting, and you guys would have made up by then. So till then, love and light, Leo. Take care.